Hi, cutie. What you got? What you got, cutie? You think something good? Some marshmallows? Some chocolate? Some pizza?
Bobby!
Some Pop-Tart?
Bobby! 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 Mom.
Let him take that one in the bath with him. It needs a wash. Found it in the mud. I love you.
Hi.
Hi. You have a halo around you. Could be the setting sun, or it could just be your natural beauty. Girls! Are there any girls in that tent? Hey, Gloria! Gloria, come say hi. Come to the window, goofball. Hi, Medleys. Red Rover, send Gloria right over. Gloria, please come here. Hi! There's a Gloria. Do you like your tent?
Yes, I love it.
Are you gonna sleep in it tonight?
Yes.
I don't know. It's kind of scary. I don't know if you're brave enough.
Have you ever done that before?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, tons of times. Have you?
Have you been scared, Dad?
I don't remember. It's been a long time.
Please, can you tell me one? The last one you had.
The last time I slept in a tent was shortly before you were born, I think.
Yeah, I was.
We went to, where did we go? It was Holiday World's Rudolph Lake. It was the campground attached to Holiday World, and we went around Halloween, and everybody was wearing costumes. So we wanted to go camping, but they didn't have any camping spots left. They only had RV spots. So they gave me one that they said was in the back and out of the way. It should be quiet, right? So I was like, okay, great. So I took it, and when I rocked up, it was a spot right next to the playground, right next to the concession stand center, the convenience store. And it was everybody in and out all night, people zooming around in four-wheelers. It was annoying. It was like trying to camp in the middle of a food court. So we ended up leaving early. But we did still go to Holiday World. Karen was dressed as the Merida from Brave. She had her hair painted orange like Medley's. And I was dressed as Rafiki from The Lion King. But it was too hot and humid for me to put all the makeup on, so I just decided to go without. That was the last time I slept in a tent.
So tonight's gonna go better than that.
I give it 5 minutes.
That was National Lampoon's Halloween Adventure.
No kidding.
What was that? What was that? What before it? No.
Time before it?
What before it, Dad?
Oh,
No.
I'll have to think and tell you later. I can't remember right now. All I know for sure is my hot dog is ready and I'm gonna eat it.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Say hi, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.